Hello and welcome to another update video about BNB. So BNB continues to move up. It is currently following our yellow structure there. We're going to dive into the analysis of the wave structures in a minute, but if we zoom out a little bit, which exact pathway it's taking doesn't matter so much. What really matters is the support level. I mentioned in the last video that our support is down at $216. That's the standard support. And that this really needs to hold for a expectation so that we can uphold the expectation of a third wave rally. Now that third wave rally is likely unfolding right now. I did at the time say that, okay, because the potential A wave low in the white count came down very aggressively and was, quite sharp. Due to this, we could allow it to potentially come down to 209. It's just another Fibonacci level. I'll take that out now because that's gone now. I just wanted to make you aware at the time that, okay, if we get a deep pullback, it might not necessarily be bearish, but below 209, I cannot uphold the idea of a third wave rally. So, but we never had to panic about that, okay, because the level was never tested. So let me delete that. Oh, I selected the wrong tool. Okay, there you go. So deleting that. So it's at the moment preferred that the yellow subwave structure is playing out here. Remember we talked about the following. We talked about, okay, we have a wave 1 to the upside. So either A, overshooting B wave, C wave down. I think that's, that can't really be upheld anymore. So the other scenario I showed you was that in case of a more direct breakout, we're dealing with an ABC structure here in wave 3. That would mean I would also have to count wave 1 as an ABC, and then we are dealing with an ABC in wave 5 as well. This is a large diagonal. That's the only way to count it in a bullish way now. So what I will do, I will remove the previous subwave structure in the white count, basically make what was yellow now white to reduce any confusion. This is the pathway. Basically, advantage of Elliott Wave is it gives you some roadmaps, okay? But more important than the exact micro count or anything, more important than that is to understand what is actually the main support region. These support levels, if you don't know about it, you can use them if you like to get an understanding where prices should reverse in a certain wave count. I mean, they don't work all the time, but in the last few months, we've had so many that worked out nicely. At some point, they will all break again, and that is when the altcoins are going to come down again. But for now, the market is going with a trend, which is up. Generally in the crypto market, also BNB, is going with a larger trend. It reversed where it needed to, and now I'm observing here the structure as an ABC structure in wave 3. And the next key level to watch, 299 is the 61.8 extension level of the A wave within wave 3. That's well, it could be the top of wave 3, but it's really too shallow. So I wouldn't really want that as wave 3 top. It wouldn't be reliable. What we would like to see is at least the $325 level, because that's the 100% extension of the A wave. Okay, so we compare the length of waves A and C, and this gives us the 100% extension. It is a very common target for a C wave. We can add to that the key fib level for a third wave. The ideal target is normally the 1.38, just to check that, the 1.38 extension. Oops, and I will tell you where that is. That's the ideal one for a third wave in a diagonal. But there are usually more ways than just one way to measure targets, calculate targets. So we're always looking for areas of confluence. So the C wave pointing to the 100% extension level is one target. And then the 1.236 extension pointing to $324 is basically exactly at this, well, it's at the same level pretty much, right? So we have good confluence there. The 1.236 is a little bit too short for a reliable third wave in a diagonal. However, I would still trust it because the 1-to-1 ratio target is also a very common one, and we've got good confluence. So it's not that the 1.236 at $324 is too short. It's just too short to be reliable. It would increase the reliability of this third wave if the price reaches 338 in the third wave. But I mean, for my personal minimum target really would be that $324, $325 level. That is valid as long as the price holds above the $262 level, which is the Monday swing low. So for now, it looks as if the trend is up and BNB is moving and getting towards that 324, 325 cluster of fib levels. That's my update about BNB. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.